Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use your Ledger Nano X, a full guide to secure your digital assets. First, carefully unbox your Ledger Nano X and inspect it for any signs of tampering. Next, connect your device to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Then, download and install the Ledger Live application directly from the official Ledger website. Finally, follow the clear on-screen instructions within Ledger Live to begin the initial setup process for your new device. Now, let's initialize your Nano X. The first crucial step is to choose a strong 8-digit PIN code directly on your device. Following this, you will be presented with a 24-word recovery phrase. It is absolutely vital to write this down accurately and securely on the provided recovery sheet. You will then confirm this phrase by re-entering the words in the correct sequence. Remember, never, ever share this recovery phrase with anyone, as it is the master key to your funds. With your device initialized, it's time to manage your crypto assets. Open Ledger Live and go to the Manager section. Here, you can install the specific applications for the cryptocurrencies you intend to hold, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. After installing the apps, create accounts for each cryptocurrency within Ledger Live. You can then easily send and receive your digital assets by following the straightforward instructions provided directly within the Ledger Live application, ensuring secure transactions. To ensure maximum security, always verify all transaction details directly on your Ledger Nano X screen before confirming. Your 24-word recovery sheet should be stored in a highly secure, private, and ideally fireproof location, away from your device. Make sure to regularly update your Ledger Nano X firmware through the official Ledger Live application to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Finally, always be vigilant against phishing attempts and only interact with official Ledger software and websites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.